Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. This problem happened last night when I was driving around. I'm hoping it's just a computer issue and my car is not completely broken. I have a bunch of lights on right now. The e-brake sounds like it engages, but the light seems to be broken, so hopefully just a computer problem. Eyesight's on, RAB, lane assist. The park, same thing. I would switch into drive. And it still says it's in park. Let's do some research and hopefully my car is not completely busted and I just need to reset the computer. Okay, good news is there's plenty of posts on the Subaru Outback forum saying to check gas cap and the battery. Mr. Subaru made a video having us check that connector there. And this Reddit post says it might take a few drive cycles. So we'll do all of that first, and if none of it works, we might do what this video says and disconnect the battery to reset the computer. The gas cap looks good, the e-brake connectors in the back look good, the battery looked pretty good to me, not too corroded. The car drives pretty normally. The brakes didn't feel squishy at all. I did find out when I released the e-brake, that is when the Eyesight will pop up. So kind of interesting. I still think it is an electronic problem, and we will try the disconnect battery test. I would be really surprised if that fixed the problem. Moment of truth. I did clean off some of the corrosion, so hopefully that helps, but probably not, like I was saying earlier, because that would be too easy. Let's see if it works. The brake and park lights are still on. Nope. The plan is to drive it around a little bit, but we're probably gonna go see the mechanics soon and have them run some tests. Unfortunately, we have to replace the entire e-brake piece, so this will not be a simple DIY video I can do myself. Maybe in the future, because I do want to buy one of those iPad computers so I can run diagnostics, and if the project doesn't look too crazy, I might attempt those. But for now, we are going to have the mechanics help us. I really like them. I trust them. They said the car is still okay to drive because the normal brakes work good, just the e-brake needs to be replaced. And down here, the left one, that part right there, looks okay, and it's just the right one that they took off over there that needs to be replaced. We should be getting that piece in a few days, and then we'll have a new e-brake. Video number 192 done.